Welcome to today's video on eviction in Ontario, Canada. We will be discussing the Ontario Residential Tenancies Act and the N12 notice, which is used to inform tenants about landlords' intentions to reclaim the property for personal use. The primary purpose of issuing an N12 notice is to alert the tenant that the landlord intends to reclaim the property for their personal use, whether it's for the landlord, a family member, or a potential buyer. This notice is not intended to cause harm or distress to the tenant, but rather to provide them with relevant information about the landlord's intentions. When is it appropriate to issue an N12 notice for eviction in Ontario? Under the Residential Tenancies Act in Ontario, an N12 notice is appropriate when the landlord has a genuine need to move into the property or if they are selling the property. There are no specific time limits, but the notice should be given as soon as possible to allow the tenant to either vacate the property or seek alternative housing. As with any legal process, it is important to consult with a legal professional to ensure the process is followed correctly and to protect your rights as a tenant. Remember, there is no legal obligation to accept an eviction offer, and fighting for your rights can be a challenging process, but it is not impossible. Thank you for watching today's video on eviction in Ontario. We hope this information has been helpful in understanding this notice and its purpose in the eviction process. For legal advice, contact us www.mohitpopley.com. We are your legal allies in tenancy disputes.